A couple videos back, I showed you guys my buddy Andy went to look at his first BMW. He's looking to get into drifting. Inspired by my E36 obsession, he is looking at, I believe it's a 1993 325 IS. Last time we were looking at it, he was still talking to the guy about it. I believe he secured a deal for today and we're gonna go pick it up. It might not be able to make it all the way to his house. It's not too far from his house, but it supposedly needs a transmission or some sort of tranny work or something like that. So I'm gonna help him out a little bit, take a look at it so we can get him out on the track with me here shortly, do some tandems. It actually looks exactly like my white E36. It's a great car, looks good, very clean. He's happy with it, I'm happy for him. He's 16 years old and wants to get into drifting at a young age, which I respect that. That was my aspirations back in the day. So we're gonna go look at it today with him, so let's roll. Also guys, at the time that I'm filming this video, we are almost at 1,000 subscribers. We've come a long ways from when we first started. I want to thank you guys, each and every one of you guys, for hitting the sub button, sticking with me. We got a lot coming for this channel. Ooh, you guys don't even know what's coming. It's gonna be sick.
Yeah. You got the key.
See if it got anything. Yeah, this thing's beeping. Or gives you some sort of feedback.
There she is. Straight. Oh, I hope it.
First drifter. Look at that. Hey. Don't stall her. Oh, let me get in.
Check this out.
Oh, there he is. Young lad whipping the new whip. 5 hundo. We're pretty sure it needs a clutch though, because they're pretty much just acting like there's not even a clutch. Like it'll just fall into gear, stuff like that. So either a new transmission or a new clutch. We'll have to take off the tranny anyway. So are we doing that tonight, Andy? Just dropping it? I would say let's go for it. Yeah, it's definitely a little messed up. Let's get past this nice neighbor right here.
Maybe give it a little gas, see if power's there.
Yeah, it's there. We're currently on our way to Harbor Freight. Boy, Andy does not have that many tools, so we're gonna go to Harbor Freight, pick up a nice little set because we're gonna go ahead and start pulling a little bit of the transmission tonight, just kind of getting stuff out of the way. Went ahead and washed it. Haven't done the inside yet, but it looks good. Hey cop, there's a policeman. I think you need probably some extensions. These are what, 18 bucks? Or,
I don't.
Those are smallies. At least 3/8. Ratcheting wrenches are key. Here are the flexi ones, or they have the solid ones. I'd say probably the flexi helps you out. They're priciest thing here, but they're the most useful. What do you have as far as hand tools? You'll need vice grips too. Good crowbar is a must-have. I would say something not too big, something about the right side. Maybe one of these. Harbor Freight was a success. We just got the car up in the air on jack stands. Now we're going to go ahead and remove both tires. Cleaned up the engine bay a little bit. Gave her a nice little wash. She's looking good. The paint is definitely there for 1993. It's well maintained. A little bit of a dent right here. Quite a big dent, but it didn't look that noticeable from at least 150 feet. We just got back from Walmart. We ended up picking up their new Dremel tool for him because we're trying to get the exhaust off underneath here. One of the bolts stripped out. That's pretty much what we're doing, is just going to drop the tranny, but not all tonight. Our goal tonight is just to get the exhaust off, get it out of the way. So we've been working out here for a few hours, been running to Walmart, getting tools, stuff like that. Ended up getting the exhaust off the header, so we're gonna go ahead and start it up. It's about 12:40 at night. We've been working, cleaning it up a little bit, so let's go ahead and give it a start up like always. Hopefully we don't wake all the neighbors up because it's late and this thing might be a little loud. All right, give her all she's got. The neighbors are awake, guaranteed. Your little battery pack didn't like that. Oh, I feel bad for your family.
Oh, that was bad.
Why did you listen to me? Alrighty guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. If you want to see more of Andy's drift car on the channel, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to stay up to date with all the builds we got going on the channel. Thanks for watching guys, have a good one.